Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, June the 18th. Well, an obvious change of character for the markets today, and this is one of the beauties of using candlestick charts, that we can immediately see that there has been a change of character, and that's given to us by the colour of the candle, and the colour is green, and that means that the bulls have made net progress for the day. So if we look at the previous candles, the previous three candles in this first time frame downtrend were red, and the body of the candles had been getting smaller and smaller. And the previous day's candle to today was a spinning top, which is a potential reversal signal, and we needed the high of yesterday's candle to be taken out. It has been taken out. We have a higher high and a higher low, a green candle, and the body of the candle has increased. So the bulls have taken control of this market. The bears were in control here. They lost control with the spinning top, almost a doji type candle. Neither side had control of the market. And now a new first time frame uptrend, and the bulls have taken control. Now they lost a little bit of commitment here, and that's evidenced by the small shadow or wick on top, and that was a little bit of a sell-off, but still they've got some sort of not very strong but strong control here, and they're showing some sort of commitment as well. Now the only thing wrong with this rally is that we need to get through this very strong area of resistance, and we've identified that. And if we look at all of the character of the trading around this area, we had about 5 or 6 days of very small bodied trading and long shadows. So we had a lot of price rejection from either side. The market really didn't want to trade up through there, didn't want to trade down, broke out to the downside, but still the market really failed to strongly close up above this zone of resistance. And now it looks like we're going to have the rally back up to that area. So we need to watch how the market reacts when it trades up through there. The ideal situation is for the market to close up strongly above this area, and especially above the swing high of this candle where there was some good downside price rejection. So probably a good strong close up around 960, which we might see in the coming week, if we're lucky. Then the market will probably trade up to around 1,000. Now looking at our Ichimoku indicators, the cloud twisted some time ago, so the market has a positive bias, and importantly we're trading up above the cloud, and that's very important. If we're trading up above the cloud, it means that the market is bullish, and we should be looking to take long trades. Now if we are looking to go long here, we, as I said, be careful of this resistance. Looking at our other indicators, looking at the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, the Tenkan-sen is pointing sideways again, which means that the market lacks direction. It was previously pointing down. The good thing is that it's telling us that the downside momentum that the market had has ended. Now, also looking at the Kijun-sen, which is the pink line, that's flat, and that means that the market has lost that upside momentum, and that the market was going sideways within this big range here. So no real momentum to start off with, but I think if we do have a new continue this first time frame uptrend, we'll probably start to see these two indicators tick up a bit, and that might give us enough momentum to actually take out this resistance area. Now we're actually still trading down below the Kijun-sen, which is bearish. So as we know, we've had a very strong sell-off over the last few days, and we need to do some work to trade up above that area. Also, we've only just traded up above the Kijun-sen as well, so I've only just taken that out. If we look at all of the previous trading up through here, as we highlighted over the last few days, in all of this very strong second time frame uptrend, we haven't closed down below the Kijun-sen until the previous 2 days. And that probably says something about the market. Now, there is still a strong chance that the market will trade up here and then sell off. Now, if the market does sell off, we now have this swing low, which can hold as support. We have the support of the base of the descending triangle. But before we interact with the support there, will actually interact with the top of the cloud or the Kumo, and that can potentially act as an area of support too. So if the market does trade down, there's a few areas that we should look to for support. But the bias is up. We should be looking to be going long, but limited obviously by the overhead resistance.